Hi friend, today I'm going to show you how to do express and effective manicure at home to remove your pigmentation and skin tanning, and that will also helps to improve your growth of the nails and smoothen of your cuticle. So here I have some products. First I'm going to use Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, and second I'm going to use cuticle oil. This oil is I already make this oil at home. This is really effective. This helps to improve your growth of your nails and harden your nails. It's really amazing, guys. If you want to know how to make this oil at home, please stay tuned. So now I am going to take Vaseline Petroleum Jelly with the help of Q-tip and take out in a small container along with 2-3 drops of cuticle oil. Now mix it well with the oil and Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. And now apply on your cuticle area and full nails. Apply generously and good amount of that ingredient. Both hands, and just leave it for 10 minutes. And now take lukewarm water and put hydrogen and hand soap in that lukewarm water. The hydrogen improves your skin texture, that removes your dead skin, and soap will clean up your hands. Now soak your hands for 5 to 10 minutes. Now take out your hands and just soak a little bit and use cuticle pusher to push your cuticles. If you guys don't have cuticle pusher, you can use spoon which has same curvy edge. So lightly just push back your cuticles. Please be gentle. Now clean up the excess Vaseline and cuticle oil. I am taking Oriflame Milk and Honey Gold Sugar Scrub. This scrub is also helps to remove your pigmentation, lighten your nodes, and lighten your skin. Take little product on your hand and rub with little amount of the water. Rub it your hands till 5 to 10 minutes from back of your hands and front, and don't forget to rub your nodes, cuticle area. Honey is also helps to remove your tanning, and sugar is helps to scrub your dead skin out. Now wash your hand and take massaging cream. I'm taking Fruit Activate Moisturizer, that is containing jojoba oil and almond oil with fruit extracts, that is soften your skin and brighten your skin also. So now take a little product on your hands and rub gently and massage it. You can follow my steps as I am doing in this video. Don't forget to massage your nails and cuticle area, cause this will help to grow your nails and improve your growth and your nail strength. In between you can take little amount of cream or water if you feel dry. If your hands are dry, so you can take more cream in between. Now massage, massage, massage as if you like. Either you can repeat my steps